So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash. It's been a while since I did a video, and currently the market did run to our ultimate TP price just a couple of days ago. So I wanted to come in and talk to you all about what I think Bitcoin Cash is going to do next. So welcome everyone. If y'all appreciate my videos and my content, as always, make sure you guys support by hitting the like, share, and subscribe. You will begin to see, after 8 years of doing these particular type of videos, that is very doable and feasible for everyone to understand in a very simple way of where prices are likely to go. If you guys don't believe me, just continue to watch my videos and you all will be able to see that it's not as hard as what most people think it is. Let's talk about this scenario right here with Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that we did a price prediction in the market in Bitcoin Cash back on July the 1st. So here it is, the 15th of August, and the market finally came and hit an ultimate TP price around 19.12%. Very good call. We'll go ahead and get rid of that. And now we will also get rid of these sell pockets here into the market of Bitcoin Cash, because those sellers that were within that pocket or those pockets, they didn't keep the buyers at bay. They did a terrible job of trying to keep the buyers from moving the market up. Now, you can see though that these sellers within this pocket currently are doing a fantastic job of keeping these buyers away from moving the market above $625. Now, that could just be a momentary thing, meaning that it could take a break and Bitcoin Cash could continue to see higher prices to this other sell pocket, which is around $700. We may need to create another pocket as I look at the market back in April 2024, but we'll get to that momentarily if we need to. Okay, so overall, generally we can see that Bitcoin Cash is a buy. Why? Because the price is trending. It's in a very good trend. I mean, the market in Bitcoin Cash is trending real strong right now. The market is very bullish. So we're going to continue to go with that stance that the market in Bitcoin Cash is bullish still, but I want us to show concern that price is now back at this sell pocket when back in November 2024, December 2024, you see how fast and how quick price retreated from $640. Can you see that? We might get that same type of idea again right now. Just saying. That's all I'm just saying. Here it is on the 3. Okay. Now, I mean, let's think logically though, because as anything that goes up in value at some point, it has to come back down. And given that Bitcoin Cash has been in this very strong, healthy move up, at what point would you expect the price to come down? Is it right now because we're at a sell pocket? Logically thinking, the answer is yes. At some point, you'll have to begin to see the value of the cryptocurrency begin to go lower. And we might be in the beginning stages of that right now. Okay. Here it is on the 4-day chart. You guys can see that we did receive a signal of a buy there in the market in Bitcoin Cash. However, we're at a sell pocket. Here it is on the 5 too. You got another buy signal in Bitcoin Cash on the 5. But again, we're at a sell pocket. So think about that too as we continue to see this market of Bitcoin Cash trying to break out and continue to go up. Here it is on the weekly. Currently 2 days and 13 hours. And seeing where the price closed right now on this weekly price bar, it confirms that there's still some sellers within that pocket in Bitcoin Cash. Like, just think about it. If you were a person who sold back in December of last year, and you still want to sell more of your Bitcoin Cash, what would you do? You'll simply wait and be patient, not in a hurry. And you just continue to wait as the market continues to lift up towards that price that you are willing to sell, and you get another opportunity. That's exactly what's going on now. The people who sold back in December of last year, they're coming back like, whew, thank goodness price is back at my door. I got more Bitcoin Cash I want to sell at this price. And that is exactly what they're doing. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Bitcoin Cash on the 3, 5, and the monthly chart so far. Here it is on the hourly chart. Now, again, I do suspect that price in Bitcoin Cash is going to go lower, but it doesn't mean that this upward long-term trend is broken. Okay, there are places that price can move down, find a buy pocket, and continue its lift up higher. So we're going to try to identify those areas real quick. So we're going to create a pocket of buying right here for Bitcoin Cash. Here's another one. Might be one here too. So we'll look at that on the different time frames. Look at this on the 5 hour. Yeah, so that could be a pocket there too. Here it is on the 3. Yeah, we're going to make that into a pocket. So let me get rid of that arrow. And we're going to drop a pocket right here. Here it is on the 1 hour. This is another pocket here too. I mean, seeing that the market did elevate and hold support right there, that is a pocket. So let me just draw this so you guys can see it. It's right around here. Okay. Here it is on the 330. Okay, so here it is. Now, long term, price in Bitcoin Cash is still strong. Short term, my expectation would be for the market to come and test one of these plenteous buy pockets that's seen on the chart. Okay, I don't know which pocket is going to be the point to where buyers step in, but you have to consider that will have to be one of these pockets here. Okay. Now, I will tell you though, the sooner Bitcoin Cash finds a pocket and bounces and goes up, the stronger the move would be higher. Okay, so like for instance, if we see the market in Bitcoin Cash bounce off this first pocket, then I would be expecting the market to break out a lot higher than if price went down to this pocket. Okay, just that's how you measure how strong a move could be in any cryptocurrency. Is the sooner that it finds a pocket and bounces from, the bigger the anticipated move is going to be. Okay. So let's do this here. We'll go ahead and I mean, what do you guys think? Should we just leave this alone for the moment and see if the sellers will begin activation and begin selling more Bitcoin Cash into the market? Because let's see if we were to put on a sell, anticipation of the market going down in Bitcoin Cash. So hitting that first pocket is only 2.5%. The second pocket at the bottom is around 6.12% move down. And then that third pocket will be around 9%. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put this on ice because I do see a small hint of selling, right? Let me show you. This is a hint of selling right here, but seeing where price closed off of the lows is letting me know that there's still some people who think that Bitcoin Cash is still a buy. But there's a part of me that is saying that I might be getting in a little bit early with this prediction of looking for the market to go down. But I think I might just do that anyway. So let me run this back. Okay. So we'll hold that. Now, looking at the market for what it is, we can see the market literally in Bitcoin Cash hit this first pocket or not even hit it at all and continue to run up. All right, so let's just see what happens. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.